This is a quick video to show the operation of Format Painter in Microsoft Office. So Format Painter allows you to copy the format of one section of a document to another section. What I'm going to demonstrate here, you can see that, and I'm increase the screen size here. You can see that the first block of text has a particular format, and the second one has a format that's substantially different. What I want to do is make the second block of text look like the first block of text. So what I'm going to do is to put my cursor at the beginning of the area where I want to save the format, press down on the left mouse button, and then roll the cursor over the whole area whose format I want to copy. Having done that, I'll release the button, and this icon right here is the Format Painter, so I'll click that. Now I'll go to the second area where I want the format to be copied. You can see that the cursor changes into a paintbrush. So I'll hold down the left mouse button again and roll the cursor over the entire text area. And when I release it, you'll notice that the formatting for both sections is the same. You'll also notice that what didn't change was the formatting for the images that I've inserted. In order to get back to viewing more of Word, I hit those dots that you saw, and I'm back. So there are a variety of places where I've placed the icon for Format Painter. You've seen that as I highlight an area and let the mouse go, I have Format Painter available right there. I also placed it on the quick access toolbar right here, and you'll also notice it on the ribbon right here. Whichever one I choose gives the same results. So that's Format Painter in Microsoft Office